In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the issue where the Instagram Reels trial option is not showing up. Let's get started. Launch Instagram, navigate to your profile page, then click on the plus icon given at the top. Now select the option Reel. Choose any reel and tap Next. From here, you can edit your reel, and once you do that, click on Next. Once you're in this page, scrolling down, you're gonna find the option Reel Trial. If the option is not available, what you can do is first stop log out and log in back to your Instagram account. So head back, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars, scroll all the way down and select the option log out and confirm it. Next thing you want to do is update your Instagram app. For that, close this, launch your app store or the Play Store and search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, you'll get the option. If it still does not work, it might be because the feature is not available in your country yet. The Reels trial option is only active in select countries, so you may need to wait until it's available in your region. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.